Here we go. Another day, another stream. Yeah, so today, I wish I could say I'm about to finish it, but I don't really know. I want to finish my an enclosure for my keyboard, new version of it. But it just takes so many time. Okay, so yesterday I made a stream where I was trying out, how's it called, cut query, right? It was not enough time for me to try everything out, but I thought about it one more time and came to the conclusion that actually, I mean, cut query will probably be the best way, but I have already half done case in my FreeCAD file, right? So I feel like I should prioritize not making things perfect, but making them done, because I ain't finishing that, like, really. Also, I have no idea why I don't have FreeCAD installed right now. FreeCAD. Nix. No, it's called Darwin Rebuild Switch Flake. Oh, I have to run it with sudo. Sudo. Nice. My password didn't get leaked. That's interesting. Give me a minute. Okay, so everything is alright. Can I find it in Finder? KiCad. Oh, it's KiCad, it's not FreeCAD. I just don't have FreeCAD. What the hell is that? It's Homebrew, right? Yeah, it's Homebrew. Brew. I don't know. Install FreeCAD. It's like, it's workspace number 3, so browser is on workspace number 1 and everything else on workspace number 3. FreeCAD, it seems the app source FreeCAD is not there. Oh, it's, yeah, it's because, wait a minute. It's not there. Uninstall FreeCAD. It's so weird. It's not there. Fantastic. So what should I do? Like, it's just not there. Oh. Did I fix it? Yeah, here we go. It downloads it. What the hell is that? Give me a minute, let's Google it. Homebrew. App source is not there when trying to upgrade cask. Retry force. Install force, okay. Force. No such file or directory. Opti, Homebrew, cask room, FreeCAD 1.0.0. Upgrading. What the hell is it? Like, FreeCAD. Was it? Does it matter where I place my flags? Brew install. Dash force. Dash force. Dash zap. Oh, it's not here. Yep, here we go. No way. It works. Please now install it. Damn, I hate macOS so much. I wish it was NixOS. Nice, it works. How long will it take to install? Yeah, okay, so as far as I know, like, I started redesigning my enclosure in FreeCAD. And it was just breaking so often, I was frustrated with that and I decided to start with CAD Query. But other than that, it was pretty close to done. I was trying to make it fully parametric, so I don't have to have three files for each size, and all the keyboard sizes, like all three of them, will be in a one file. But wait, now I'm thinking maybe there was another problem. There was another problem, which I just forgot. But we'll see. Yeah, it's all long. Yeah, also, I'm not gonna do the second version about which I was talking on the previous stream. Like, I mean, I really want to it to have two versions. Damn, why is light so dim? Now it's so bright, I don't know. Why is it so red? What the hell? Okay, whatever. I don't really care. I mean, I do, but not for now. What I was talking about? Yeah, actually, I want to make two enclosure versions for top controller mount and bottom controller mount. But unfortunately, I guess top controller mount is gonna be delayed. Right? Now I'm focusing on getting version 2.0 done. And then, after releasing it, after getting all my tasks done, after everything is gonna be fine, I'll maybe, probably, I hope, find some time to create enclosure in CAD Query. Why don't I have progress bar? It's so weird to sit here and don't know what progress is. Okay, what can I do right now? I can go type something on monkeytype.com. Actually, I want to see the progress, so I'm going to do it that way. Okay, I'm so bad. Oh, here we go. Fuck monkey type. Nice, what am I gonna do next? I'm going to workspace number 3. I'm opening FreeCAD. Can you open FreeCAD, please? 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 Do I have FreeCAD? Yep, here we go. Open. Please just open it. Please. Nice. Oh, what does it want? Navigation style. What was it cut? I guess it was Blender. FreeCAD Dark. Done. File open. Okay, so let's find the enclosure. It wasn't here, it was here. Damn, it's such a mess, I have to organize all my directories. Anywhy Flake. Enclosure. It was large. Yeah, so that scene that got me, like the moment after which I decided to... What the hell is this? Oh, it was not Blender, right? It definitely was not. Maya gestures? No, Blender. Okay, it was Blender. Like, what the hell is that? How is it even possible? What's wrong with you, brother? Why those icons are different? Something has changed. That's interesting. Okay, what am I gonna do? I want to test if everything works. As far as I know, there is a var table, and I have... There should be... Wait a minute, there should be... Something's wrong, there should be size. Wait a minute. I hope I saved it, right? Should be able to change the size parametrically. Bottom left. Top left. That's so weird. I'm supposed to do it right now? Wait a minute. Do I have me? I have nothing here. Keycut, anyway. Yeah, I have nothing here. Cat. Okay. That's upsetting. Anyway. Bottom left. Let me see through it. Oh, it's bottom. I want top. I want top. Top was disabled, so I guess it should be done. Right? That would make sense. Damn, that's like, I don't know. Now I'm so demotivated to do anything because I clearly remember I got it to the state where I could just go to the var, change the size, and it was changing like the size of the keyboard. What the hell is that? Maybe it was not L and M. Open. M. It probably was M. Please. Please, 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 please. It was M. No, it wasn't M. I feel so bad. And it was not S either, right? Let's check it out. S. Yeah. But those variables are new. PCB clearance, fault thickness, in body height, PCB rounding. There were no PCB clearance and PCB rounding. I'm sure about that. Like, there's clearly something wrong about it. It's like, it's clearly changed, but it doesn't have all the changes I done. It's so weird. Let me check equations. Maybe it's the table, which is wrong. Like, here. What is that? That's so weird. Maybe I have it somewhere. That's interesting. Where could it be? Me. Cat. Those are keycaps, unnamed. Yeah, it's keycap. And closure V2, here we go. Here we go, please. Yeah, nice. Nice, it works. Okay. I have to close everything. Okay, let's wait. We are waiting. I want to drink. Yeah, I'm closing M, var, S, var. Huh? Why is there a not safe? Okay. Yep, here we go. Size. Nice. It has size. Oh, I've been redesigning from the ground. Oh. 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 What should I do? Like, should I continue using FreeCut or swap to cut query? Like, turns out, I just decided to make it from the very beginning. Okay, obviously I know FreeCut, right? And doing it in query will require more time because I'll have to learn scenes. And it's not something I need right now. Okay, so what was the plan? The plan was I'm doing like cutouts for the small size, and I'm making cutouts for the M size, and then I'm making cutouts for the L size, and then I'll just condition those cutouts to be present only if the size is like the one that has those cutouts. So let's add constraints. Where's it? Horizontal distance. It's gonna be key var dot key minus var dot switch divided by 2. Yep, here we go. What if I want to do the same distance? Should I do it with construction geometry? Equation at okay equal. Nice. What we are doing next? Just add in construction geometry. Damn, I know it. Like, now I'm gonna get this deep focus and I'll just sit quiet for an hour. It already happened to me. Okay, I'll try to keep talking while I'm doing that. Like, what I'm doing right now, it feels kinda bad. Like it's not an idiomatic approach, but I just have no idea how to do it like other way around. So what we are doing right now, we are making all of those lines vertical, so they are aligned by y-axis, vertical. Nice. Now I want to make all of them equal. Can I hide? I should be able to hide distances. Yep. Height constraints. Why can I select? Oh, okay. Skill issue. Equal. Nice. Now I'm doing the same, but for the x-axis. Oh wait, it's not gonna work. It's my bad. Yeah, it won't work the way I thought it would. Because it has to be... It should not be divided by 2. It should not be divided. So I'm making another distance. It's gonna be the same equation, but not divided by 2. Then just give me... Okay, nice, okay. No way. What have I done? Why is there all... Why this one is 15? What the hell is happening? Why is there not equations? Var dot switch. Switch. I thought all of them are equations. Oh, they're equal. Wait a minute. No, they're equal to the side. Okay. Let's just quickly do it. I mean, that's the scene why I don't like FreeCAD and why I think cut query might probably fix it. Like, what am I doing right now just should not be the scene. But okay, whatever. We're just doing it one time, right? Only once, and then we're chilling. What's going on? I need to pass the equation? Yep. Okay, I'm almost done. I'm almost done. Nice, looks good to me. And it's... Okay, this one is not constrained. It's KD, equation, paste. Is it paste or paste? Or is it like... how's it called? American and English... British English. Translate. .google.com. Paste. Paste.
Paste.
Paste text.
Paste text.
Paste text. Okay, is it like American English? What about British English? There is only one English? Which one is it? It's American English, right? Interesting. Okay. I'm not that invested to check the dictionary, right? So I'll just leave with paste. Okay, now we have to constrain it by... it's not constrained. KD var key minus var switch. Nice. Copy. Actually, I don't have to copy it, I can just constrain them to be equal, right? That's what I'm gonna do right now. Why can I select it that way? That's so weird. Equal. Nice, it seems to work. It does work. Constraining by x-axis. Is it how I want it to do? Yeah, probably it's okay. It's okay. Wait a minute, there is something wrong. There is something wrong. It's misaligned. First of all, why? What the hell have... Wait a minute. How do I... How do I select the line which is underneath it? Yeah, this one. Okay. Am I tripping? What the hell is happening? Is it even legal? Oh, okay. I guess it is maybe legal. Equal. It was that way. Equal. Equal. Okay, that's another thing I hate about FreeCAD. Like, why did it invert this line? Why it was going up and not down? Is there a way I can fix it? Should I always make an angle? KA. 90 degrees. KA. I mean, if I'll make it like that, it's saying... Oh, it will work, right? I guess, I hope. Okay, whatever, actually. Let's make those equal. Equal. Nice, now let's align them. So this one. Wait, how am I gonna do that? It's gonna be that way. I'm taking the bottom here and bottom here. I'm making constant vertical distance, and I'm making it, how's it called? Key? Yeah. Key divided by 2. Yep, nice. I'm doing the same thing here. Constant vertical distance, and now it's gonna be key, but divided by 4. Yep, here we go. Here it's gonna be aligned. So we are making it horizontal. Nice. And this one is aligned too. So I can probably just remove this one. Oh, it's equal and horizontal, yeah, so I'm making just... Yep. What's wrong with it? Oh, I see. Vertical. How can I do it so it doesn't invert in other direction? Make it all to have an angle, it just feels weird. Is there anything? Like, I can't constrain perpendicular because as we run it's also perpendicular, right? Okay, I guess it's okay for now. I'll hate if it will break once again, but it's constrained. Now I can make holes. I'm making them up to face and selecting this face. Nice. Now I wonder if I can condition this layer. I tested it, I can condition. Suppress, true, right? Nice. And what am I doing here is just add property? No, it's add expression. Yeah, but what am I doing with expression? I got sketch here and I was playing around with it here. Equation. Yep, something like that. I'll copy it. Pocket. Expression. Oh, actually, this one is always visible. Right? This one is always visible. Now I add another pocket. Another sketch. I'm adding this dot. And make 3 more squares. There's a center, they were not centered, right? They were just regular squares. What the hell is this FPS? Now, equal KD var.switch. Nice. Okay. Yeah, it does work. Now making it. What am I making right here? I'm making it vertical. Oh no, my bad. Horizontal. And I'm making distance KD var key minus switch minus var.switch. Okay. Yeah, I hope it looks symmetric. Now I'm just doing it several times. Can you move it? Please? Please? I said please. What the hell? Ctrl C, Ctrl V. Move it. Huh? 12. Okay. I don't want it to be that way. I want equation var switch. And I'm making one more scene here. Vertical. Vertical. Okay, now I have to make distance. KD var key minus var switch. Copy. KD. Nice. It should work. Now we are doing pocket. And we are making it up to face and selecting the front face. Oh, not up to shape, no, up to face. Nice, okay. By the way, did I change the category? Yeah, it's software and game development, okay. Just wanted to check it. Yep. Let's condition it. First of all, I want to open the first sketch. I want to select this equation. Oh, what the hell am I doing? Ctrl C. Okay, close. Sketch, not sketch, pocket. Expression. Size equals 0. 0 is small, right? 0 is small, 1 is medium, and 2 is large. I guess. If it's 0, then var key. Else, yeah. If it's 0, false, I guess. And, else true. Oh no, other way around. It's true, false, false. Can I wait? Can I? What the hell am I doing? I can't do it that way. True, false. Suppress. Yeah, that's how it should be. So the moment I'm making it small, 0. Yeah, it's suppressed. Nice. Nice, it works. It works. Okay, I'm already glad. Like, I feel like it can be done. Let's add top row, sketch, and let's create several squares. First of all, I want to add geometry, and in particular I want to add, what do I want to add? I want to add this dot because it's gonna be always there, right? It actually doesn't matter, but okay, whatever. Equal KD var key. No, wait, not key, switch. Vertical KD var key minus var switch. Ctrl C, Ctrl V. 12. Move it. 14. Nice. Duplicate it several times. By the way, I forget to add some keys. There should be some keys here in the original sketch. In the first one. Let me copy the equation. Okay, just switch. And add it everywhere. So it will be parametric. It's not like I'm gonna change those holes, right? But that's okay. Okay, actually I want to add geometry. It just makes things easier to me to reason about them. Horizontal. Oh, there is no geometry here. That's bad. KD var dot key minus var dot switch. Something like that. Oh, actually, you know what? You know how I wanna do it? I mean, I'm okay with it being that way here, but here I want it to be dependent on the top squares, top holes. So I made an external geometry here, here, and here. Something like that. Nice, nice. And another one. Now I'm making all of them equal. Making this one and this one vertical and this one horizontal. Nice, it's constrained. Here we go. Pocket. Up to face. This, not shape, face. Am I misreading it? Up to face, okay. Let's go back to the first sketch. Remove this one. Remove those constraints, because it's gonna be angled. Can I tell angled? It's probably better to say rotated. Nice. Yep, here we go. Now I want to also make it perpendicular here. Here. And here. Yep. Okay, how it was in a PCB, I don't really remember. How do I do that? As far as I know, it has the same distance on those dots. It's just angled. So here it should be the same thing. Equal. That's weird. Okay, we're going so back because I broke everything. That's why I don't like equation. Like, not equation, equality. It breaks everything. The same thing here. Just gonna occasionally break something. Let's do it that way. We are adding another geometry here. Nice, we are making it equation var key minus var switch. Oh, no, it's just equal, wait. Like, so we're done, we do it. Equal. No, not this one, my bad. Equal. Good enough for now. Now I want to make it rotatable. It's already really hard for it to calculate everything. Nice. Making them perpendicular. Can I make those parallel? Parallel. And here it's gonna be perpendicular. Nice. And here I'm making KA, and it's gonna be minus 180 plus 15. Yeah, nice. Is it how it should be? I have keycut, right? Keycut. I want to check it out. Open. Please just open it. Don't ask me. Start with default settings. Would you like to automatically check? No, I don't want updates. Plugin content manager? Actually, I want to updates for plugin and content manager. Workspace 4. File. Open project. Xsim. Me. No, it's the old me, right? Keycut, Anywhy, Flake, PCB, Flake. Oh, it's Flake L. Keycut Pro. Nice. Copy default global footprint library table. Create. Keycut has been run for the first time using the footprint library table for accessing libraries. In order to keycut to access footprint libraries, you must configure your global footprint library table. Please select from one of the options below. If you are not sure which option to select, please use the default selection. Here we go. Damn, it's so pretty. I don't know. Every time my bad. Every time I open it, it's just so good. Also, I never open it on such huge monitor, and it just looks really good. Okay, now. I was wrong, right? They're connected by the external perimeter. How can I call it? Okay. I mean, we can handle it. I can remove this one. Equal. Please work. I don't really get it. What's wrong? Equal. It's constrained. Yep. Okay, I love the angle. Now, how should it be? It should be like that. I guess that's like the single most reasonable way. I know how to do it. So I want to delete those. Make these two lines parallel and these two lines perpendicular. How can I make It's n, right? Yep. Make them equal and make this one var key minus var switch, and all of that divided by 2 and copy. Nice. Now I'm doing the same thing here. Making those lines parallel, those two lines perpendicular, and make them equal to this line. And considering them here. Nice, it works. Alright. Let's add another square. Parallel. Parallel. And here it's perpendicular. Is it a square? Really? In a way. Oh, it's because it's not equal. Equal. Now it's a square. Now I want to add angle, and it's gonna be minus 180 plus 30. Oh, my bad. What have I done? Equal. It doesn't have distance, so I have to add distance. Var dot switch. Nice. Now angle, right? Ka. Oh, it works that way? Seriously? Why it wasn't working that way here? Whatever. Can I... Let me try one more time. Okay, 15. Yeah, it doesn't work here. Construction geometry? Is it construction geometry? Yeah. No, it was construction, now it's 2 from construction mode. How is another mod called? Okay. Whatever. Parallel. Parallel. Perpendicular. Perpendicular. And all of them equal to this one. Nice, nice, it does work. Actually, it does work. Here we go. Now I want to check the parametric part of it. Let's make it M size. It works. Oh no, it doesn't. It still makes pocket, it just makes it in the air. Expression, copy. Expression. What expression should it be? It's only if it's more than 0. Then it's not suppressed. Other than that, it's suppressed. Oh, it should be small. False. No, other way around. Suppression. If it's more than 0... Wait. If it equals to, that's it. False. Yeah, now it's suppressed. Nice. And if I'm making it 0, both of them suppressed, and I'm making it 2, they all here. Nice. 1. 0. And that's also fine. Now, what am I gonna do next? I have keys. I don't have holes for screws. Are screws the thing I should do next? Probably yes. I would say yes. There is tool called hole, which can create, yeah, screw hole, but it works so weird. Can I make sketch? Like, something like that. I add external geometry here and here. Then I add dot here, and I constrain it to be symmetrical to those two dots. Nice. It's fully constrained. I got sketch here. Can I make a hole? It doesn't work. Can I make it that way, hole? No, it doesn't work. Profile. I guess we'll have to do it manually then. Yeah, and there is gonna be two pockets because S size has different mounting position. Yeah, add external geometry. Here we go. Now I create circles. Here, 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 and here. I'm making them equal. And I make them symmetrical to those dots. Now I'm curious about the size of those circles. Actually, I want to open the old case to just know how to do it. Where is it? KiCad, Anywhy Flake, enclosure, large. Let's go. How do I check it? I have to go back to... Those are bottoms, I don't need bottoms. I need top, left, and I need screw holes. Oh, actually I also need those grips for switches. Okay, here we go, sketch. How large are those? 2.2, okay, makes sense. Well, what could I then? Go back here. Should I make it? How should I make it? Okay, let's just try it out. KD. Oh no, it's not how it works. I need what's that? It's diameter, right? 2.2. Should it be that small? Probably yes, I hope. I can make it 2.4 to be sure that it works good. Now I'm making pockets up to face. And we're selecting bottom face. Please, up to face. Null shape. Ah, I didn't select it. What the hell is this error? Null shape? Are you kidding me? Pocket. Up to face. Okay. Oh, I selected something wrong, did I? No, I didn't, wait. Is there something wrong with it? Okay, throw all. I don't care. Now, I select this sketch, I'm making a binder, and what do I do with binder? I want to, how is it called? Shift, not shift. Oh, I'm not, offset, yeah. 2, I don't know. Yeah, that's the problem I was afraid of. Why is it turned into squares? That's so weird. What if I'll select it that way? Binder. Offset, 1. It's still squares. Okay, what if I'll do it another way around? -1. Now it works. So what can we do? We can go back here and we can scale those holes. I want to go back to my old case, old enclosure. Hide this binder. Can I check the distance with this tool, the diameter? It's radius, right? I mean, I can calculate the diameter. It's gonna be 3.8. $1.2. Oh, it measures the wrong thing. Yeah, so it's 2.2 here, and it's 3.8 here. Nice, close. 3.8, close. It's not gonna be through all. How deep is that? There's actually a problem because I made the hole 0.2 millimeters wider, and I have to compensate the length because of that. What do I choose? I make this 1.2. Okay, so I'm making it 1, right? I'm basically making it 1. Dimension. Give me dimension 1. Nice, looks good to me. Then we are selecting. Can I do it? Like select the face. Will it work? Make binder. Offset binder by how much? It was 3.8 and I want to have 1.4, right? Let's first check it out. It offset, if I'm making it 1.6, oh my bad, minus 1.6. Okay, it works as I thought it would. So it's 1.8 and 1.2, right? So it's 0.6. Seems reasonable. And now I'm making pocket. Can I do up to face here, please? Null shape, insane. Through all. They're too big. They seem to be too big. No, that's not what I wanted. 1.3, yeah, it's too big. I miscalculated things. Wait, 1.9? Just as here, right? 1.9 and 1.10. 1.9, 1.3. Okay. So what am I doing here? Is making it 55? No, I'm making it 65. Seriously? Okay. 7. 1.2, which is 2.4. Nice. 3.8. Okay, 1.9, 1.10. Nice. What have I done? No, please don't crash. Don't crash. Survive. Safe. What the hell was that? It was so scary. Let's add chamfers. Please survive. 1.2. Nice. 1.4. 1.5. It's gonna be 5.9. No, it's not. 6.9? No way. Oh, really? Okay. Okay. I'll add another 9 just for safety. Okay. Yeah, I want to make binder. Oh, it's gonna be a lot of binders, by the way. It's gonna be 3 binders. 4 pockets. Cancel, please don't. Sketch. Here we go. I'm making binder. And I'm adding offset to it. How much do I add to it? It should not be that big. Like... No, it's not. How do I... 1.2. Actually, I believe I can do it with 1. Because I've been checking it with the switches. Actually, I should just check the specification. Check the datasheets. GitHub.com. Okay, I have it saved in my stars. Your stars. Okay, switch documentation. Datasheet. First of all, it's cherry. A mixed cat. Is there any information on how long this sleep is? Like, really? Maybe it's here? Okay, I can calculate it. It's 15.6 minus 14, which is gonna be 1.6. Oh, wait. It's for those sleeps, not for these, which are crucial. Maybe I should just check it now. I have not working enclosure laying around. It should be right here. Will I find it? Oops. Alright, here we go. No, please! Okay, everything's fine. Just as I planned it to be. Here we go. And I need switches. Where can I get them? They should be here. Nice, so here should be switches. There's a lot of stuff. Okay, I found Chokwi 1. Actually, I need... Okay, let it be here. Let's check them one by one. Hey, hello Sakura, hello, how are you doing? Are you struggling with Python already? No, I don't. I decided to... That was gonna be so long to explain. Give me a minute. So, First of all, I have to disassemble it. So I decided to get back to FreeCAD. I'll explain in a minute. First of all, I have to get my screw. Ah! Everything falls. Everything falls from the sky. Okay, here I have. Do I need to add my cam here? Probably I should, right? I probably should. Can I do it like right on the stream? Add capture card device. Add existing laptop. Okay. It's not how I want it to be. Delete it. Main. Wait, what have I done? I deleted the scene. Give me a minute. Yes. Main. Copy. Phone only. Nice, it works. You give up so fast? No, I didn't. It was a reasonable move. Like, the point is, I'm thinking way too much about getting done scenes about making scenes perfect instead of getting scenes done. Right? And like it's hard to make this model in FreeCAD properly, but also it will take time to learn CAD query and it's not gonna be faster. So now I'm prioritizing the speed in everything I do. Because I noticed there is a huge tendency of me not ending my projects. Like I'm making a lot of projects and I end none of them, like literally. Can you see? I mean, is it good enough? I want to remove this box, right? There's quite a little space on my desk. Okay, it's a nice screw. It's a... how's it called? Something on B, I forget how it's called. It's bit. It's a proper bit. Is it bit? I hope it is. So, actually this one is a V2 enclosure, right? You can tell this by those cutouts. But it doesn't work perfectly, like this socket doesn't fit. Like this hole is too small. And when I was changing it, it began like to break everything. Everything. How can I say that my English is so bad? Everything started to fall apart, right? And I decided to fuck it. I'll do it all over again, make it fully parametric, and so it's not gonna happen to me anymore. Here we go. Here V2 PCB version 2.0. It's so like pretty. Like look at that. It's also symmetrical, so the left, like the same PCB is in the left part and in the right part. It's so good. Also because it has controller on both sides. You can do top mount and bottom mount of the controller. But obviously my first case is gonna be just bottom mount because ain't no way I'm gonna do another case for 100 hours. Maybe when I will learn CAD query, I will make another case and remain the first one. Okay, those grips, like, it's better to show on the PC. Those grips for switchers are 1.2 millimeters, so if I will check distance from this face to this face, it's gonna be 1.2 millimeter. And I guess it can be less. Like I can make it to 1 millimeter or maybe even 0.8 millimeter. First of all, I have to check it with choke with one switch. Okay, it works. Oh. It works. And as far as I can tell, there is like no grip. Like literally no grip. Oh, It is there, but it's just so small. Oh no, there is no grip. It just sticks out immediately. It's not grip, it's how's it called? It's snap in, right? It snaps in. Okay, Shock V1 doesn't work. We'll take this into account. But that's not my problem. I need to get .8 just wrap it in plastic bag at the point. It's like, it's not that small. Damn, you are working at, you are studying mechanical engineering. Are you telling me that 0.8 is, like, you can neglect 0.8 millimeters? You basically can't neglect 0.8 millimeters. It's a, like, in such projects, it's a huge distance. I want to find Shock V2 and Amic switches. Oh, I found Amic switches. I'm a simple man. No. Don't do it. Okay. I got MX switches. Now what am I doing? When I see pi, I am like, oh, that's real. You sound like a typical American person. Okay, that was meant from my side. That's meant to Americans. But it is what it is. It doesn't fit. Oh, it fits well. Yeah, it's so big. Like, it can be... I can't show you because it's gonna be like unfocused. Oh, you can see like those two pins at the bottom, right? 1 and 2. They are like really small. And I guess it can be, I can make that leap like 0.6 millimeters long. And it will work just fine. Oh, now I'm not gonna stick it out. I need, how's it called? I forgot how it's called. How's this thing is called? It's tweezers, yep. Okay, now the most important task is not to kill myself. Because one time I was really close already. Actually, I have a puller. Why am I doing that? Where's my puller? Oh, it's not gonna work, right? Yeah. I mean, it's gonna work, but I can do it here. Nice. Huh? What the hell am I doing wrong? Actually, my mic is too close to my mouse. You didn't mean that. Table? Oh, you didn't mean that? What do you mean? I don't get it. Oh, nice. Another side? Nice. Here we go. Now I have to find Shock V2 switches. Okay. Okay. Actually, you know what? I'm a simple man. Close it, please. Close it. It ain't gonna close. I fucked everything up. Okay, it closed. Magically, it closed. Now, I see Shock V2 switches. I take those switches. Nice. Got this. Next, yeah. And I have some tolerance issues. Those holes are clearly smaller than they should be. They're clearly smaller than I thought they would be. Like, okay, let's try the top one. Please, don't break. Fuck. Nice. Yeah, it's the same thing here. Okay, I can make it 0.6, but I won't do that because typically on 3D printers, nozzle has 0.4 diameter, and it's better to make everything in like multiplier of 0.4. So it's gonna be 0.8. Now it's 1.2, and I'm gonna change it to 0.8. How do I remove it? Oh, yeah, that way. Nice. How have I done it? Nice. I'm putting this PCB back inside, and I'm closing everything. Oh, it's not magnetic. Why my light is so, like, hard? It's better this way. I mean, I can see nothing, but who cares? How do I do that? So I forgot to finish myself. Alright. It was so invested in everything I do that you even forget what you were saying. Hey, hello man, and Sessence, hello there. Where did the Minecraft parkour go? That's a good question, brother, that's a good question. Here we go, it's here, once more, one more time. Okay, it's assembled, right? I can hide it for now. You can watch your parkour as... Fuck! Everything breaks. I'm joking, everything's... You have not seen that. You have not seen that. Nothing happened. You can enjoy Minecraft parkour now as long as you want. I have to hide my screwdriver. So I didn't get. What the hell am I saying? So I don't get why to make it as thin as possible. Weight on object makes it feel good. It doesn't. Like, the point is not the weight. Like, don't you see this like misconnection? You're telling me why to make it thin, more weight is good. Like, you don't say more thickness is good. That's your problem. Like, I don't say it should be lightweight. It should be thin. Why it should be thin? Because it makes it more portable. And because it makes it more ergonomic, because you don't, like, you don't have to make your hand that way and can be flat. And, like, this angle is not good. Like primal neurons in brain fire. Oh, big stick, it's hard. And its keyboard anyway, it just sits. Not always. Like this one, as you can see, it's not just sits. It moves everywhere all the time. So yeah. Also, I just thought about it, you know? Like, I can make it smaller. Like, I can make it not 1.2 but 0.6 or 0.8. Wait a minute, what's wrong? Minus 0.8. But you know, what does that mean? That means it will require more plastic on those sides. And you know what? I don't want to, to print with more plastic. I would like to use as minimal plastic as it possibly can. So I can make enclosures as cheap as it can, as I can. Okay, I mean, actually, it's just not efficient to spend filament on something you don't need. Will it provide much structural rigidity that I'll make it 0.8? I don't think so, right? So 1.2. It's not gonna be that much bad, right? How fragile are those points? Like, let's make it a pocket. And I don't know how long it should be. Let's check data sheet. Data sheet. Here. Okay, it's for a mix. I don't need a mix. I need chalk. Kale. It's called CPG 13.5. Yep, here we go. And it asks for 1.3 in here. It asks for 1.3? Seriously? No way. Yeah, I guess it asks for 1.3. Interesting. Give me a minute. Okay, so let's get back to it. I want to check version 2. .65, interesting. So why first was not working? 1.65. Keycut. Oh, not keycut, my bad, free cut. Lol, you fucked. What do you mean? What have I done? Wait. There's something wrong with it? Cancel. Got back. Yep. Binder. Pocket. .2, I don't know. What's wrong? Why it doesn't work? 0.2. Cancel. There's something wrong. Let's make another binder. Binder. Offset. Minus 0.8. Oh, 0.8, yeah. Use glue instead screws. You think you're funny? Or what? Okay, make a pocket. Why it doesn't work? Because if hole breaks, you're screwed. Maybe so I should just make the hole that won't break? Just like, maybe. Could work. Reverse. Yeah, that was a problem. Nice. So the thickness is 2.2. As far as I know, the thickness of the enclosure is 2.2. So if I make it 1, it's gonna be 1.2. Yeah, that sounds good to me, actually. Let's check it out. It's 1.2. Nice. I want to sneeze. I'm alive. I'm so good. You're really so good. Okay, let's add another binder. Could I make pocket with several binders? Minus 0.6, 0.8. Oh, now I can make minus. That's interesting. 0.8. Pocket. Reversed. 1. Can I make pocket with several binders? Will it even work? Reversed. No, I can't. How many Mexicans does it? Okay. Yet another binder for the top row. Binder. Offset. 0.8. Pocket. Reversed. 1. Actually, you know what I can do? Up to face and select this face. Damn, I'm so smart. I'm so smart. Damn, I'm so good. I'm a genius. Now if I will change the depth of the first pocket, it's gonna change the depth of all the other pockets. Wait a minute. That's the wrong pocket. Cancel. This one. Yep. Up to face. No, not 2 dimensions, up to face. Here we go, okay. You didn't finish it. No way, seriously? You are, like, you're for real. Did I? I didn't finish it? No way. Okay, it looks good to me. I'm curious about the distance, like, between this edge and this face. How bad is it? .4 millimeters. Actually, it's good. It's good enough. It's also gonna be like diagonal distance. There are gonna be a lot of melted plastic there, so I think it's okay. I get it. So that's how it is. What do you mean? Is there something? Did you send an empty? Oh, it's because I can't see emoji. Like, I don't know why, but in my OBS, emojis are rendered with a delay. Now I can see. Why are you so sad? Don't be sad, man. Okay, you can be sad. It's okay to be sad sometimes, you know. Sometimes it's good to be sad. Actually, it's good enough for now. Thank you for coming, Sakura. I'll save it. And I'll proceed with it tomorrow. Tomorrow is gonna be Wednesday, right? I hope I'll find enough willpower to start stream earlier and to get a lot of this enclosure done tomorrow. Cancel. What don't I have saved here? Save. Close. Okay, then thank you for coming. And see you tomorrow.